So we have this recipe, a strawberry roll cake, and if I click here on edit recipe, you can see that we have this price range. So let's see how you can print this information. And here you will find this content.php. If you scroll to the bottom, you will find this div with the class entry content. And you can see we have this validation. It says if it's single, we're gonna print in the content and the title. So let's print these taxonomies right here. So I'm gonna add a PHP block, and we're gonna add echo get the term list is the function that will print this information. And you can see we have an ID, so you get the ID using this post ID. So this way, and based on the recipe that we are visiting, this number will change and will give us the information that we need. Next, we have the taxonomy, and if I open this price range, here on the top you will find taxonomy equals price range. So I'm gonna copy this. Next, it says before, so we're gonna use price range. Next, we have the separator. I'm gonna be using some comma for separate each of the terms. We only have one term in this. We only have this price range. But in case that we have a different or more than one term, this comma is gonna be applied. And finally, we have the after. And after, I want the single quotes. So let's save and reload this. You can see it says price range 5 to 10. In this way, you can, for example, copy, create another copy, and let's print all the terms that we have. The next one is the meal type. Here you will find this is the name, meal type. And I'm gonna add meal. Next, we have the course, and the taxonomy is course. And I'm gonna change this to course. And finally, we have mood. So change this to mood and mood. So let's save and reload. Now you can see we have this price range, meal, course, and mood. So this is looking better, and this way we're printing the information that we associated to this post. Let's create some divs so we can style this with CSS. But first I'm gonna create a PHP block that says if and recipes equals get post type, and this will be a function. So this will check that if this is in a recipe, then print everything from here, because we have also a blog. This code only will be executed when we're in the recipes post type. So let's say reload. You can see that we have something like this. If I open one of the previous recipes that we added and click here on read more, you can see that nothing is there. But I want to create some divs, so I'm gonna create a div with the class taxonomies and close the div right here, div. Then we're gonna create a div for each of the entries or each of the terms, and I'm gonna create a div with the class price range. And I'm gonna cut this one. So now each of the terms it's on div. So now you can save and reload again. And you will have something like this. If I inspect the code, you can see now we have price range, and it says price range. I'm gonna change this to meal type, course, and finally mood. This way you can style this with CSS. So I'm gonna reload. And now you can see we have taxonomies, we have price range, we have meal type, course, and mood for all the taxonomies. So we can use CSS to style this. We're gonna do that in upcoming videos. But this is looking really, really cool. So in the next video, let's see how we can create an archive template for the taxonomies.